Hi everybody, thanks for taking the time to check out our video here on section 4-3 of our math books. Section 4-3 is on pages 183 to 188, and it deals with using rounding to estimate a double-digit multiplication problem. There are times when you're not going to need an exact answer to a double-digit or triple or quadruple-digit multiplication problem. You can use rounding to help you estimate, to get an answer that's close to the exact answer, but it's not the exact answer itself. Let me show you an example of how to use rounding to get an estimated answer. Here I have the problem 83 times 47. What I'm going to do is use my basic rounding rules that we've talked about earlier this year. I'm going to put a dot over my farthest place value. In this case, it's the tens place. I'm going to look next door to the 3. Since the number that I looked at is 4 or lower, I'm going to keep my dot number the same and add a 0 where the 3 was. I'm going to do the same thing for the 47. I'm going to put my dot in the tens place, look next door to the 7. However, in this case, as we know from our rounding rules, if the number that we look at is 5 or higher, it pushes our dot number up by 1. So my 4 is going to go up to a 5, and I'm going to add my 0 at the end. Now I have a very simple, basic fact multiplication problem to do in my head. I'm going to do the basic fact of 8 times 5 and get 40 as an answer, but I'm not finished. The reason I'm not finished, I need to remember, I have 2 zeros in my problem. I need to bring those 2 zeros down to my final product. So if I add the 2 zeros there, my final product for 80 times 50 is 4,000. Now remember, this is not the exact answer to 83 times 47. I'm just getting an estimated answer to come up with a number that is close to this, but not exactly on it. Be sure to review your rounding rules as well if you're confused about how to round.